please check out our shirt on Teespring.
Hey folks, guess what? I'm going to open 2022 Baseball Hazard Cards value pack. It comes with 20 cards per pack. I'll be opening once again for 5 of these things. You're lucky souls. First pack. Donate. One of the best pictures right now. Get yourself, the players. Giving Mark, Soteris, the kind of cool old-fashioned picture in action. Guy looks happy. So far, Lewis Roberts. I'm raising his cards are worth the amount of money. UH. NFL got rid of their pitching. Now they're all pitchers are not pitching or batting no more for the National League. They changed that this year. And there we go. Guy here could pitch like 100 miles per hour. So for got a rookie guy, rookie, Jackson G, and a reliever, I guess. Oh, once again, got his card again. New age performance. And then hurt to get his card back to back. And then this guy got. Oh, I thought I got good. Okay, this is the second pack opening right now. So what kind of cards you guys collect? Let me know the history. Oh, Cryfer, he's from Mountain View. Kind of baseball team. The Red Sox are in last today. There's Arizona, that one pitcher that hit a no-hitter, first ever starting fish at the pitcher, and a rookie guy. Okay, let's see what's next. Oh. He's a little happy. Good picture. Red Web. Trying to see this guy win. The good picture of him, home run. Bunch of fans make fun of him. Heck, Pacific Bill, maybe or IT and Park in the background. 18, Aaron. UH Farmer. And Babu. And I try to get these cards as fast as I can. Hope you enjoy the music. Not sure what music I'll pick for this. Even I don't know half the time. So far, got a couple of rookies, a couple of players. Are you still around? Okay, these are the Cardinals now. Good picture. I play home run to upper full halls. These are like, catching. He's almost close to Barry Bonds. See it play. Oh, one. Young track young man. Ooh, this thing has got some pretty. Oh, it's number 2. Oh, that's awesome. It's number 96 out of 578. So, put it on the side. So that's so far the best card I got so far. Oh, first, always have him, my hero, beautiful young man. Well, that's really great to have. It goes to my special question. So yeah, let me know, like and subscribe, let me know what you think. Maybe do better next time. Thanks for watching. We do different things on this channel. Please leave a comment or something, alright? Bye.